we're here in Kansas City, Missouri, and sadly, the Lego art exhibit is gone. It's over. So we're gonna drown our tears in some local beer at some restaurant in town that was pretty highly rated on Yelp. So we're at this place called The Reserve, and it is classy. Very nice. I'm excited, and they have a dark coffee beer that I just ordered. I can't wait. Hey, kitty. Okay, that salad was really good. I had a roasted cauliflower and heirloom tomato salad with this dressing that had some kind of, I don't know, it was creamy, tomatoey, spicy, not sure what it was, tinge to it. It was incredible. And this beer I'm drinking, it's a coffee wheat stout, and I think that it's by Torn Label out of Kansas City. So good. And the ambiance here is fantastic. It's totally luxe. It's part of the Ambassador Hotel. The prices are really reasonable for what it is. So if you have to stop in Kansas City, fully recommend it. Even Ted's happy. That says a lot. Got his, and I've got mine. Banana and black walnut with magic shell.